After you put your water, put your brushes inside our warm water and let them soak for a bit. I'm going to use this soap. I'm going to take your soap, take one brush like this, and then you rub it. You rub it like that. Can you see? Rub it like that. And then you squeeze out your makeup. You squeeze out your makeup. It's clean. This is like the before.
Look, Baba Smarty.
The before
Smarty.
and after. So it's that simple. You do that for all the brushes. You rub in circular motions. The makeup will come out by itself. You can see the brushes are clean. So I'm going to do that for all the brushes. You see? It's that simple. For the brushes that are similar like this, these are eyeshadow brushes. You can hold them together, wrap them on the soap, and then you squeeze them out. You see? They are as clean as new. After you're done with your brushes, you put clean water and then you rinse. You see? They're so clean. Then you squeeze all the soap. Squeeze all the soap in the brushes. Then you put them to dry. See, the brushes are so clean. They're so clean. There is no soap coming out. So you're done. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope it helps somebody. Bye.